Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Back to school spending has increased due to inflation and wages have not been able to keep up. But as students return to school, one financial advisor says parents have to be more deliberate about rebuilding their financial security. Javon Keys reports.
Bags packed and off to school. For the first time in almost 3 years, full face-to-face classes are back in session, and the associated costs are hitting parents hard.
Me have two to go to school, and the book list, me I tell you book list gone way up, because she alone at 30,000, the next one at 23,000. So you must know, this year gone way out on. You have to buy a bag, shoes, the book list. Me I tell you, say, not easy at all.
Last year, one uniform for 3,000, and this year I make two, and I pay 5,000 for the two.
But with some school items costing as much as 50% more than they did before the pandemic, financial advisor Matthew Fisher says with greater expenses, parents have to find ways to increase and diversify income.
Every mickle make a muckle. So it doesn't matter the amount of $500 or $1,000, stuff like that. You put aside those amounts on a monthly basis, or even when you can, when you have it available to you. You put aside those, you put it in some investment, you put in a business, and you might never know, over time, it will eventually start earning something for you.
He says these strategies will help to cushion some of the financial burdens and save on out-of-pocket expenses.
It consists of savings, it consists of health insurance, it consists of life insurance, it consists of critical illness insurance, and it consists of investments. Because even though health card is not something that you will be earning from, but when you take a look at it, when certain sickness or illness come about and that those expenses come around, then you have to be deep in your pocket.
Mr. Fisher says, however, financial planning for school should start even before the child is conceived.
You start a policy at 20 years old, it's way cheaper than you starting it at 30 years old because you have a child and you say, oh, I need life insurance now because I have a child. No, you never think so, I get a child in the future. I bet you just get it from now. You pay significantly less than someone 10 years, 15, 20 years older than you. Those are the things that we should be thinking. We have to start thinking from an early age and start teaching our children these things so that they can start setting aside money. Save little. You can put some money, I can invest some money, buy some stocks for them. We have to start coming together and thinking outside of the box.
He says if you are currently in debt, you have to also make deliberate steps to realign finances. For the Business Day, I'm Javon Keys.
Supreme Ventures has received global certification for its mobile gaming platform. Gaming Laboratories International has passed the company's software, making SVL one of only 2 companies in the region to be certified by the entity. It means Supreme Ventures can offer its mobile gaming platform as a service to other operators. The platform will allow SVL customers in that market to place wagers on a number of games via a mobile app and web application. Now to news on foreign currency trading. The US dollar is being sold for an average $152.09. $116.31 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar, while the pound is being sold for an average $176.59. It's costing an average $154.42 for the euro. And to the stock market now, the JSE index declined by 931 points today, while the junior market index advanced by 82 points. Among the winners, One-on-One Educational Services, Epley 7.5% preference shares due 2024, Productive Business Solutions 9.75% cumulative redeemable shares, Fosrich and MFS Capital Partners. The losers include JMMB 7.25%, CAC 2000 9.5% cumulative redeemable preference shares, Salada Foods Jamaica, Cygnus Real Estate Financial Jamaican Dollar shares, and Iron Rock Insurance Company. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.